Hello, good afternoon. This is Tawanda from Strada Real Estate. I'm here today to show you the show apartment and mock-up of this new project in JVC District 14, G plus 14 and 21 in the middle. It's located in District 14. So this is the model. And I'll show you the show apartment. So this is the show apartment. So as you walk in, you've got this nice entrance foyer with plenty of storage. Very nice wooden finish, porcelain tiling. Guest washroom. With plenty of storage underneath. As you come back in, this is your living and dining space. The apartments do not come fully furnished, but they do come with fitted kitchens. So you've got an island here with storage under and a bar on the other side. And then you've got your oven, plenty of storage, glossy finish, Bosch appliances in the kitchen, and integrated fridge freezer, and lovely living and dining area. Plenty of light coming in. This resembles the building because the windows will be 3.2 floor to ceiling windows. And then as you come into the property, the left hand side, you've got your bathroom for bedroom number 1. This is a 2-bed show apartment. Rainfall shower, plenty of space in the shower. Bedroom number 1 with storage. And then finally, your master bedroom. You'll have the wall panel, semi-walk-in wardrobe with glass doors. And finally, your shower, his and hers sink. And the sanitary ware is grow hair as well. So very nice. Really like the finishing on the sinks with the extra storage underneath. So if you're interested in this property, it comes with a post-handover payment plan. Very competitive prices starting from 1,059 dirhams per square foot. There's a combination of studios, 1 and 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom units in this property, 2 years post-handover. So really competitive product on the market right now, launched today. If you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Tawanda from Strada Real Estate. The number is 0585 722 309. That's 0585 722 309. Please don't hesitate to contact me to get your expression and interest in before the escrow account opens. Thank you.